Hi everyone, I'd like to show you how I protect my camera while I'm on the job as a mobile mechanic and shooting YouTube videos. When on the job, I don't have time or the place to wash my hands every time I need to take a reference picture or a thumbnail. I found some simple shower caps at Safeway. I just wrap them around the back of the camera and use the rubber band to hold it in place around the lens. Now I can safely handle my camera after wiping my hands dry. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.